How to buy cryptocurrency on the Bit.team exchange. On the main page, click Go to the exchange. In the search field, enter the cryptocurrency you need and select the appropriate trading pair. The account balance of the second coin in the pair must be positive for you to be able to conduct a transaction. Now read the chart and the history of recent transactions and analyze the trading classes. In the middle of the page, right under the chart, the main trading terminal is presented, in which you can work on limit and market orders. In the first one, you can specify the price yourself, and in the second one, use the current purchase price. If you are satisfied with the price and volumes of sell orders, then select the desired volume, click, and the price will be inserted in the appropriate field in the Buy section. If necessary, adjust the amount of coins, check the fee, and click Buy. If you want to place an order at your own price in the green glass of purchase, specify a competitive price, lower than in the red glass. Your order will be marked for easy displaying and it will be placed in purchase orders. Now you need to wait for the seller who is satisfied with the price of your order, and he will execute it. Below on the page, your active orders are displayed in the corresponding block, where you can observe the partial execution of the order and cancel orders if necessary. In addition, the history of orders and the history of transactions are located in the tabs of the same name. All purchased cryptocurrency is immediately displayed on your account balance, where you can get to by clicking on the profile icon.